Hi, welcome to photo retouching and photo compositing with Photoshop. In this course, you are going to learn the basics of compositing and how you can turn an ordinary photo into a masterpiece. Hi, I'm Moses Michael. I'm an artist and a photographer. I've been into art for over 14 years, if not even more than. Within this period, I've involved myself in so many projects, including clients' projects and personal projects. Some of these projects include digital portraits, photography, stylized portrait, photo manipulation, and sometimes environment art. Lately, I've been crafting my skills to make sure I take my photography into another level. And as I'm doing this, I'm also sharing this journey with most of you who are willing to create something like this with Photoshop or with any other digital art subject. Let's take a look at what we are going to be learning in this course. You are going to learn most of the important tools used for compositing in Photoshop. Tools like the quick selection tool, the select and mask, the layer mask option, and so many more in this course. Not just that, we are going to cover how you can easily remove a background. With the recent update of Photoshop, raising a background is so much easy, so much stress-free, up to the extent you can just make use of one or two buttons and you have removed a difficult background. All these are what we are going to be covering from there. Now, after you have learned how to remove the background from your photo, you are also going to learn how to add a new background, and you will be able to modify this background to suit what you want or the kind of background you are looking for. And finally, we are going to match our subject with the background. I'm really excited to be your instructor in this course because I am going to share a lot of tips, tricks, and most of my process I use in compositing in Photoshop. But without any further ado, grab your pen, grab your mouse, open Photoshop, and let's get started.